Hail. We've got hail. And sunshine. Way over there. Wow. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, look, I'm running out of room.
It's doing his ice cube. Oh, look at it in the corner. Ow!
Well, you shouldn't be barefoot in the hail.
Look at that one's a big one. There. Oh, it's cold. No, do not eat that, God. Emerson, God. I mean, there's bug spray and stuff on here. Don't do that. How is it giving his ice cube? I don't know.
There's some kind of big ones kind of mixed in there a little bit. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. That's,
we'll get it, Alex.
I'm not going out there. Screw you guys.
I'll do it.
No, you won't. Oh, I think it's getting bigger.
And it's cold. It got really cold and windy.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, they are getting bigger. Look at them. Nah. It's not big enough.
I hear a bunch of ting, ting, ting on the
Wow, it's
window.
getting...
Ow!
It's actually getting worse.
I need to come over there.
Get in there. Get inside. Go. That's awesome. Look at that. Look at the huge splashes from the rain, from the runoff. Oh. This, ladies and gentlemen, is why you buy a house with a garage in Nebraska. Look at it, it's clear sky over there. Oh, it might be over. Ow. Hey, a rainbow. What does it mean? That's my big toe. And my scab. Don't pay attention to the scab on my toe. And it's over.